Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create engaging AI videos with Hailuo AI that have the potential to perform well on social media. First, open Hailuo AI and start by choosing a simple idea that can immediately grab attention. Think about a strong visual concept, interesting character, surprising action, or cinematic scene. Next, write a clear prompt describing your idea. Include the main subject, action, environment, lighting, and camera movement. For example, you could create an unusual animal, a futuristic city, an impressive action scene, or a visually interesting transformation. Keep the main action easy to understand. A strong opening scene is especially important because viewers should quickly understand what makes the video interesting. If you already have an image, you can use the image to video option and describe the movement you want to add. Now generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish. Once it's ready, preview the result and check the movement, subject consistency, camera motion, and overall visual quality. If the first version doesn't look right, improve the prompt and generate another version. Try different concepts and camera movements to find the most engaging result. After you're happy with the video, save it and continue editing if necessary. You can add captions, music, sound effects, or other elements using your preferred